Hey there, creative minds! Ever watched a video and thought, wow, that background is stunning, I wish I could do that? Well, guess what? You absolutely can, and you don't even need a fancy computer or expensive software. Imagine this. You're filming in your living room, but with a few taps, you're suddenly on a tropical beach, in a futuristic city, or even floating in outer space. Sounds unreal, right? Well, buckle up, because today, we're diving into the secrets of transforming your video backgrounds like a pro, using just your phone. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to change any video background on mobile. Whether you're a content creator, a social media enthusiast, or just someone who loves adding a little magic to your videos, this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Simply search for Spring in the App Store on your device. Now click Install and launch it. Now that the app has been installed successfully, let's go to the following stage, which is to add the desired backdrop video. In order to modify the background of any video, we must first add the background video and then replace it with the desired video. In order to add background, select Create New. Click Allow All, and you'll arrive at the editing section. Now pick the video you wish to use as the background. I'm going to pick this one. Your video will be added to your timeline after you select it. By dragging and stretching the clip's edges as shown here, you can change how long the clip lasts. Let's move on to the third step, which is adding our main video, now that our background video is ready. To do that, click here. Next, select the video for which you want to modify the background. Once the video has been selected, it will show up in the editing window above the background video. You can now change the overlay's size and position as indicated. After you've completed that, let's proceed to the fourth step, which is changing the background. To accomplish this, navigate through the tool options until you find the magic remover and click on it. The app will now start processing the video, which will take a short while. Let's play and see. The outcome is flawless, and the primary subject blends in flawlessly with the updated background. With our video now complete, let's proceed to the last phase, which is exporting the video. Click the export icon here to export the video. If necessary, you can change the quality, frame rate, and resolution. After that, we can choose to remove the watermark from the video by turning it on, and then we can click the Save as Video button. After the app begins rendering the video, it will be saved in our gallery. Here are the finished products and a comparison of the two videos.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.